My name is Remy. I am a team manager of a soccer team, and I give TeamSnap a 4 out of 5. Prior to using TeamSnap, our team used a combination of both email as well as Google Sheets to track all of our team activity, attendance, payments, etc. And we really decided to go with TeamSnap because it was just a one-stop shop for everything related to the team, whereas email can get lost. Google Sheets has a number of different ways you can use it, but TeamSnap was just a one-stop shop simply for all of our team needs. For choosing TeamSnap, it really came down to just knowing what our target audience needed. In that case, was our team, and having one place where we can just get together, know who's attending, how much people are paying, the activities, dates, all in one place. Whereas other products we looked at just didn't have that for us. And TeamSnap is just one place that has it all, that everyone can just have on their phone or log into the desktop or laptop. And it really just did a great job for us and has done a great job for us. So really happy with it. Integrating with TeamSnap was incredibly easy. The team did a great job of doing their overall overview of the tool and really showing us the power and functionality behind it, and showing the group of team members that we have using the tool, how to go about it, make the best use of it. It was extremely easy. And we never ran into any issues, but we've had to contact them when there was some site bugs or anything like that. And the team would go over alternative ways of using it and how to make the best use of it. And it's been very, very, very great for us. For anyone that's out there considering TeamSnap, just know that we all have a lot going on in our lives, and having an app that is very functional, that will make it so we can have one place to have, whether it's our sports league or an amateur group doing other physical activity, sports, anything like that. Just to have somewhere where, as a manager, you're already working, you're already doing things, but you also want to manage this other activity you're doing. TeamSnap really provides you with that extra support, that extra one-stop shop. Again, using that phrase of having somewhere where your team can go in, you can go in yourself and manage who's coming, who's responsible for what. And it's just so awesome having it right on your phone, doing it on the fly, and not having to worry about digging through emails and communicating a different way when you have all that built into one place. So highly recommend it. Definitely go for it, and hope you guys enjoy if you do.